Okay, mlango imekataa kufunguka, but washafungua hii video na lazima itaran. So, buckle up. As I take you back to the last episode, time to reload the engine and tukaipeleka for an overhaul. But guess what? We don't have footage for that. Yeah, something happened. Plus, it's been a long time. Mi nataka kuwapatia hizi video ndo at least zisipotee. Nikiziweka hapa hivi mtandao at least mtaziona. But my dad sent me this video. Forgive the quality, but it's a good one. For the mechanics in the house, listen.
Reassembling engine, Peugeot 504. And the block have been moved, all the sleeves. So we are trying to fit some other new. We have cleaned everything. We have also painted the block red. The sleeves are new, as you can see. And it's a major overhaul to each and everything. Also the bearing, the crankshaft is there, as you can see too. Pistons, new. So it's a dyno kit, overall kit is there. And we have cleaned everything.
All right, so we started working on it tirelessly. And when I say we, I mean our father. Yeah, my brother and I were just cool, admire him akifanya kazi yake like a true artist. But of course ungetumwa spana nini kubadilisha mguu sijui nini. But we worked on it just to make sure in a run. Enjoy some food. Enjoy.
But moreover, it seems okay. Got it enough? We should pull as we go.
Awesome.
It is passed.
Yeah. All right.
You have to leave the bonnet first. Yep. Up. The fridge. Throw a jakira iguru. There's a CM. Happy Nagama. Up. Hold on. Nafanya mzigo wetu umebebewa.
Ndira hata hau.
Nĩguo ikarĩra haha tondũ ndĩkinyĩte na kũrĩa. Koguo yũke thutha. That is in the way. No, it's okay. Tamuidia gĩkĩngĩ na kũrĩa.
At what stage are we at?
Well, now we are fitting the engine. So remember we dismantled and fitted each and everything inside, like the sleeves, the bearings, the pistons, also the rings. So now we are on the final stage for fitting the engine to the to the vehicle itself
now.
now. Okay. Then you can try to see whether it will roll out.
Any upgrades?
Well, according to what?
The engine, anything?
Yeah, Lily, we have put it to the real standard now because everything is new. Yeah.
Awesome.
What?
Yeah, so you. You are good for this.
Orang tiga tagay punit.
Kau ini kaya kigira. Lagi nak kata tak.
Oh, sudah kerja ako.
Aku rumah ini yang muda lagi.
Okay, watiga kura. Go back to work.
Ubako.
Ako tinakin na dito. Koko ni penyuruh. Iyo nuha. Nuha kula iyo.
Kitu hawa ni akili. Manga kaho hiyo ni insulation. Eggs are made of
Shell.
okay, great.
Eggs
Hey,
are made of shell.
exactly. Eggs are great.
Go back to root and make the pieces. Now, so come connect now, but they can do a deal.
Ndio kama mtu mwenyewe. Before us.
Yes, finally it runs. We almost thought I'd run. But wow, here we are. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that marks the end of this video. Yes. Until the next one. Yeah. On the next one, guess what? Now we are taking the show on the road. Until next time, thank you for watching.